How much do you know about people you are studying with or whom you are teaching? No one will tell you the truth apart from me. I joke, let's do it. Say hello to Yana, her parents are journalists and she wants to continue a family tradition. This is Nastya, she is a real fashionista. Bozhena, very polite girl, but sometimes she goes crazy. Say hello to Ola, she is so sweet that we call her Bambi. Maybe she is also come out with a great music. German is proud that he is a Jew, left only grow a beard. This is Alessia, she is smart and beautiful. Oh, Valeria, she loves jazz and Zhenya. Say hello to our musician, Stas is talented drama. And this is our trio of brilliant students. They usually save us on seminars with their answers. Oh, Natasha, she is a headman of our group, in other words, the leader of our tribe. And it's me, my name is Alex, and I hope that no one kills me after that. We are different, but we are all together. Welcome to our group, the third year students New Media EHU.